Hi, in this particular video, we'll see how to reset the Samsung Solar Cell remote. The step number one is check the current battery capacity of your Samsung Solar Cell remote. Turning on the smart TV should automatically pair the TV and remote control. Press the home button on the remote control and navigate to the settings menu. Check the battery level of the remote control in general, power and energy savings. Go to the available remote battery. And the step number two is reset solar remote. Press the return button and enter button together for about 10 seconds. From this, you can reset the solar remote. Okay, so this is how you can reset the Samsung Solar Cell remote. So I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.